பேரன்புக்கும் பெருமதிப்பிற்கும் உரிய வீராங்கனை, போராளி, என் உடன்பிறப்பு, திரிபுரா மக்கள் முன்னணியின் தலைவி பட்டால் கன்யா ஜமாத்தியா அவர்களே, ரெஸ்பெக்ட்ஃபுல் அண்ட் டைனமிக் and lady warrior of Tripura, TPF leader, chief, my sister Pattal Kanya Jamatia ji, and respectful other leaders and the energetic and enthusiastic people of Tripura. All of you, first I thank you. In Tamil Nadu, some 200 years ago, there was one lady warrior queen, Veeramangai Velu Nachiyar. She fought against Anglo-colonial forces. She defeated them like Tamil Veeramangai Velu Nachiyar, Tripura Veeramangai Pattal Kanya Jamatia. I once again giving my heartfelt greetings to her and to the mass of TPF. Before this time, last October, she came to Chennai and addressed one conference which was organized by Naam Tamilar. Before that, there was a mass demonstration at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. I send my video greetings to that mass. Like our relations are growing, we Tamils also oppressed national people. You are the sons and daughters of the Tripura soil, but you are not in the helm of the state affairs. Illegal migrants from Bangladesh, they occupied the Tripura state government and they are in the helm of the power. So, the sons and daughters of soil, Tripura people are murdered, raped, and there is fake road accident deaths. Your pamphlet about this rally, that first demand in that pamphlet is about removing the murders, rapes, fake road accident deaths. Alas, what a pity, horror. These are done by the goons, monsters, with the help of, indirect help of the state power. State power is not with the sons of soil, not with the daughters of the soil. Migrant people are occupying Tripura's state power. This is also our experience. In Sri Lanka, Sinhalese murdered our Tamil people, raped, fake road accidents, deaths. these atrocities were instigated by Sinhala Buddhist monks, not only by the state power, but the religious Buddhist monks, Sinhala Buddhist monks. So I can feel the pain of the sons and daughters of soil, Tviprasa. But you are militantly oppose these atrocities under the leadership of Tripura People's Front. You have best leaders. They will lead to you resolve your problem. You are doing this demonstration on the occasion of International Human Rights Day. Human rights means not only for individuals, nationality people, minority people. If a national people, nationality, ethnic people have lost their sovereignty to the neighbors or foreigners, then not only their national sovereignty lost, but the individuals in that nationality also lost their human rights. Human rights must be prior to the national people, ethnic people. Then that individuals in that ethnic people population will get individual human rights. So your individual human rights struggle will also lead to national sovereign struggle to retrieve the sovereignty of the Tviprasa people, also linked with human rights, individual human rights. This mass organization, this mass rally is for both of that. UN Charter describes ethnicity, nationality, sovereignty is essential. Right to self-determination to the nationality people is a basic right. The UN Charter says thus: India is not a natural nation. Tamil's homeland, Tviprasa homeland are natural nations. British canons gave birth to India. So, Constitution of India's Article 1 says India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. It is not a nation, union of states. No other article in that constitution describe India as a nation. India is a union. Natural national affection is natural feeling. Tamil nation, Tviprasa nation are natural nations. Natural national affection is a natural feeling. It is inherent instinct in our mind, like hungry and thirst. National affection is an inherent instinct. A single Indianization is nothing but Aryanization. According to Aryan texts, we are we, the Tamils, Triprasa, are subordinates to Aryan Brahmins. In their texts, we were called as Sudras. In this context, the intellectuals of oppressed nationalities' social role is very, very important and inevitable to the emancipation. I request the intellectuals, your contribution is not enough. Your commitment is inevitable. Please note, I request the intellectuals, our intellectuals, your contribution is not enough. Your commitment is inevitable. Our natural nationalism is not chauvinism, but survivalism. Our natural nationalism is not chauvinism, but survivalism. Charles Darwin's evolution theory formulates struggle for existence and survival of the fittest. I wish Triprasa struggle will win. Tamils are with you. Other states people will also support you. Thank you all.